Okay, this is bending a pipe, heat bend of a pipe, a half-inch pipe, and I just want to tell you how to do the calculations on this. Okay, let's just take, for example, we're given 100 millimeter radius to do on the pipe there. Let's go back to the same formula we used for the steel work here. It's pi d over 4. This is 100 millimeter radius. I want you to remember that you have to double the radius to make the diameter, because it is diameter. So it's 3.142 multiplied by 200 over 4. In that case, it comes out to be 157 millimeters. You can make it 158. I've now marked on the pipe here a centre line roughly to where I want the centre of the bend. And if you see this here like that, I've come 157.1 millimeters, we'd say, between them 2 points. When I put the spring into this pipe, which is already has been heated and annealed so that it's soft for bending, when I put the spring in and bend this, over that length, it should come out exactly 100 millimeter radius. Okay. Now I'm going to put the spring in to the pipe that's already after being preheated. It's softened. The spring goes in. You cut it with a hacksaw, a junior hacksaw, or if you're going to cut it with a pipe splicer, make sure you foil it that the spring comes in and out easily. Okay, make sure the spring is far enough down in the pipe that it covers the area here that's going to be bent. I'm going to bend between these two arrows. Now, remember when you start to do this that the bend begins on this line, not after it, but on the first part of this bend starts on that. So with the two thumbs, just try and get your first little bend out. You can nearly do it with your fingers at this stage. Right. Very slightly again, and again. Now whatever you do to one side of it, if you want to keep it symmetrical, do it to the other side. Let's go again. 1, 2, 3. So now, keep looking at it. Look for uniformity each side of the centre point. 1, 2, 3. Again, I'm looking at it there. It looks fairly uniform. It's no more on one side than the other. There's my point. I keep trying to view my point there. Still looking fairly uniform and creeping around towards 90 degrees. Okay, so here we go again. Could I have the template, the 100 millimeter template there, please? Again, it's coming nearer, closer to the 100. It's still looking like a uniform bend. Be careful not to leave too much of a flat spot. That all of this has to take that bend, all of this. Sometimes it's a tendency to leave a bit of a flat spot there, and then too much in the middle. Make sure you're taking this bend over the whole length of this, please. Okay, so it's fairly close now. I think I'll try my template now. Thank you. Okay, so we put the template onto it and have a look. Let me see, that's fairly good. There wouldn't be a lot in that, being right or wrong. Maybe a little tad just there. And that's the flat spot that you have to be careful of. At the ends that you don't get flat spots. So. Okay, that's fairly reasonable. I could probably live with that. Thank you.
All right.